How much money do you need to retire? Retirement planning is a crucial aspect of financial management that everyone must consider. One of the most pressing questions that often arises is, how much money do you need to retire? The answer is not straightforward, as it depends on various factors such as lifestyle, healthcare needs, life expectancy, and inflation. In this video, we'll break down the key factors you need to consider, share some practical tips, and help you figure out your retirement number. Let's get started. The 4% rule. To determine just how much you will need to save to generate the income that you need, one easy-to-use formula is to divide your desired annual retirement income by 4%, which is known as the 4% rule. For an income of $80,000, you would need a retirement nest egg of about $2 million, $80,000 per 0.04. This strategy assumes a 5% return on investments, after taxes and inflation, no additional retirement income, such as Social Security, and a lifestyle similar to the one you would be living at the time you retire. Calculating your retirement needs. To determine a more personalized retirement savings goal, start by estimating your annual expenses during retirement. Consider costs such as housing, food, transportation, healthcare, and leisure activities. Keep in mind that some expenses may decrease, such as work-related costs, while others, like healthcare, may increase. Next, calculate your expected sources of income, including Social Security benefits, pensions, and any other passive income streams. Subtract this total from your estimated annual expenses to determine the shortfall that your savings will need to cover. Considering life expectancy and inflation. It's crucial to consider life expectancy when planning for retirement. With advances in healthcare, people are living longer, which means your savings need to last longer. For instance, if you retire at 65 and live until 95, you need to plan for 30 years of expenses. Inflation is another critical factor. Over time, the cost of living increases, eroding the purchasing power of your savings. To combat this, your retirement plan should include investments that can outpace inflation, such as stocks or real estate. Creating a retirement plan. Creating a comprehensive retirement plan involves more than just saving a specific amount of money. It requires a holistic approach, including investment strategies, tax planning, and risk management. Consulting with a financial advisor can help you create a tailored plan that aligns with your goals and circumstances. And there you have it, folks. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to us and hit that notification bell so you never miss any of our financial tips and insights. Thanks for watching.